Hi, today in front of me Infinix Note 12 Pro, and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the power key button on the right side of our phone, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint, and we'll see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device less than in half of the second. This is the good result for the fingerprint unlock methods. I just suggest you to try it, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcode or pin code unlock methods. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.